Welcome to online engineering drawing lessons. So, with the previous continuation of the topic orthographic projections, in which second and fourth angle projections. Second and fourth angle projections. Second angle projections. It is a method of projecting an object placed in the second quadrant. Setup: observer, plane of projection, object. Fourth angle projections. It is the method of projecting an object placed in fourth quadrant. Setup is observer, object, plane of projection. These two methods are not used in common practice. In these methods, after rotating the HV through 90 degrees clockwise, it coincides with VP, resulting in overlapping between front and top views. This will create confusion. Hence, these two methods are not used in practice. Please note down. Note, as per Bureau of Indian Standards, BSI, only first angle projection method is to be adapted in India. Even today, some countries are adopting third angle projections. Worldwide, first angle and third angle projection methods are adopted. In the other two are not used. So up to this topic, we are studied including the previous topic, that is first angle projection method and its layout, principle of third angle projection method and its layout, symbol for first angle and third angle projection method, second and fourth angle projection method, why they are not used in practice. Number of views are required to completely specify the object. These are the summary of including the previous topic. Now done. Now let us see some quiz questions. First, the solid used to specify symbol for first angle and third angle projection is dash. Is cone, trapezoid, cone frustum, none of the above. Answer is cone frustum. The minimum number of views required in orthographic projection to specify an object is 1, 2, 3, and 6. Answer is 2. Minimum number of views required orthographic projections to specify the object is 2. So like this, quiz questions will be available. And note down these true or false also. The setup in first angle projection is observer, object, plane of projection. It's true. First angle projection, front view comes above the top view. Front view comes above the top view. Second and fourth angle projection methods are not used in practice. Yes, it is true. Now we'll see with this concept, we will learn some more examples of the projections. That is examples here 1 and 2, 3. So what objects behind these examples? You may get the drawing orthographic views of simple components with a given pictorial views, thorough solved problems, practice on orthographic projections of simple parts. Now with this object, we will move the continuation, the topic. Example 1. Draw the three orthographic views of pictorial drawing given below in first angle projection. Now first note on the figure, pictorial view. Draw the three orthographic views pictorial drawing given in first angle projection. So the solution will be explained step by step. While getting any doubts, and pause the video, then note down step by step on your notebook, then it will understood easily.
One. In this, we have to draw the three orthographic views of an object for which the pictorial view is available. Front view contains length and height of the object. First, draw the front view showing the dimensions length and height. Top view contains length and width of the object. Draw projectors from all corners of front view and complete the top view showing the dimensions length and width. Side view contains width and height of the object. First, draw the meter line. And projectors from the top view through the meter line. Now draw the projectors from the front view horizontally and complete the side view showing the dimensions width and height.
Note down the figure, total view, right side view, front view, and top. Now example 2. Note down the question. Draw the three orthographic views of pictorial drawing given below in first angle projection. Pictorial view. Note down the figure with all dimensions.
Example number 2. In this, we have to draw the three orthographic views of an object for which the pictorial view is available. Draw the front view showing the front surface of the object, conveniently represent some of the dimensions.
This is the front view.
Now to get the top view, draw projectors from important corners of the front view. Complete the top view.
For this distance, we'll get like rectangle.
The right side view will come to the left of front view. Now draw the meter line. Draw the projectors from the top view through the meter line. And draw the projectors from the front view horizontally. Complete the right side view.
Now done completely.
Show the dimensions appropriately in all the three views.
Observe once again. Right side view, front view, and top view. This is the solution of the given example 2.
Example number 2. In this, we have to draw the three orthographic views of an object for which the pictorial view is available. Draw the front view showing the front surface of the object, conveniently represent some of the dimensions. Now to get the top view, draw projectors from important corners of the front view. Complete the top view. To the left of front view. Now draw the meter line. Draw the projectors from the top view through the meter line. And draw the projectors from the front view horizontally. Complete the right side view. Show the dimensions appropriately in all the three views.
Now on example 3, draw the three orthographic views of pictorial drawing given below in first angle projection. First note on the figure, pictorial view, and then in the solution you may get like this. So this will be explained in the stepwise solution, and note down stepwise on your paper and then try to draw on the drawing sheet.
Example problem 3. In this, we have to draw the three orthographic views of an object for which the pictorial view is available. Draw the front view first. And from the front view, draw the projectors vertically and complete the top view. Now to draw the side view, draw the meter line and project us from the top view through the meter line. Now draw the projectors from the front view horizontally and complete the side view showing the dimensions width and height. Show the hidden details by dotted line.
Now observe completely. These are the views. This is the view. These are the frequently asked questions. Note on the figure. Draw the three orthographic views of pictorial drawing given below in first angle projection. Note down. Note down. Given figure also, that is pictorial view of 9. Then next topic is also example 4 to 6 with the same background. Objectives. After completion of these three examples, you may get the concept of orthographic projection thoroughly.
Example problem
First
4.
you listen, then
Now in this problem, the front view and left side view are to be drawn.
this is a picture and you have to draw the front view and left side view. This is the question. Example 4.
First complete the front view, show the dimensions. Draw projectors horizontally to the right and complete the left side view. Show the dimensions appropriately.
Like this is the example problem for which we are studied in the previous just completed. So first note down with the dimensions along the dimensions. See the solution of orthographic view also. Note down. Note down first question. Draw the front view, top view, and left side view of the drawing given below.
Six. In this problem, we need to draw the front view, top view, and left side view of the object.
Note on the first note on the figure, question figure. This is the example 6. Draw the front view, top view, and left side view of the object. Note on this one along with the measurements. Now you observe or see the solution, how front view and top view and left side view will be drawn.
View and left side view of the object. First, complete the front view, show the dimensions, represent the visible edges by dark line and hidden edges by dotted line.
This is the complete front view.
Now draw the projectors vertically downward and complete the top view. To draw the left side view, first draw the meter line and projectors from the top view through the meter line. Now draw the projectors from the front view horizontally. Now complete the left side view. Show the hidden details by dotted line and visible details by dark line. Appropriately represent the dimensions.
See once again, the solution is like this. With this, we have studied overall the summary, the concept of orthographic projections thoroughly. Now down the frequently asked questions. Draw the 3 orthographic views of pictorial drawing given below in first angle projections. Now next topic is example 7. Now we will see the one more example, that is example number 7. First note on the example 7. Draw the front view, top view and left side view of the block as shown in the figure. This is the pictorial view. This will be explained, the solution, and one by one. First you note down while explanation is going on all the steps in detail, then you draw on the drawing sheet. This is the solution of orthographic view with the previous pictorial view. First note down, and then we'll see how the front view and top view and left side view is getting.
Example problem 7. Draw the front view of the object. In the front view, the verb portion will be seen as a triangle. Now draw the projectors from the front view vertically downwards and complete the top view. In the top view, the web portion will be seen as a rectangle of size 55 mm by 10 mm. To draw the left side view, draw the meter line and draw the projectors horizontally from the front view and through the meter line from the top view. Now complete the left side view. In the left side view, the web portion will be seen as a rectangle of size 30 mm by 10 mm. Show all the dimensions appropriately in the views.
This is the final orthographic view. Not only frequently asked questions like this. Draw the front, top view, left side view of the block. Note on the block. Orthographic views. Then move to example 8. First note on the figure. Example 8. Draw the front, top and side view of the given object. Note on that figure first. Then you listen the solution. This is the orthographic view of given object. It's not on this one also. Then we see the solution.
Example problem 8. In this problem, we have to draw the front view, top view and left side view of the object. First, completely draw the front view of the object. The V groove is hidden and hence it should be shown by a dotted line. After completing the front view, draw projectors from important corners vertically downward. Now complete the top view. To draw the left side view, draw the mitter line and draw projectors horizontally from the front view and through the mitter line from the top view. Now complete the left side view. Show the dimensions appropriately in the views.
This is the final view, front view, top view and left side view of the given example 8. See the once again, the figure is there. Observe orthographic view, the given example 8. Now note down the quiz questions. In orthographic projection, length and height can be shown in front view and dash view of component will be given width and height, that is side view. Note down the frequently asked questions. With this we will close and we will see the next example 9 in the next class. Thank you.